Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Cura Web channel and welcome to another class of our React course. In this lesson, we're gonna learn about routes. Routes is a structure we use for navigation inside our application. Okay, so that's it. First of all, I up my server and it is running here. And then I installed dependence. Okay, no style components, no. Here and add React Router DOM. I installed React Router DOM, and I don't do it again, but you can install in the root folder of the project using yarn add or npm install. There's no difference. Okay. So that's it. Let's start by creating a file called routes.js. First, I will type all the code here and then I will explain what it means. Import React from React, import route switch from React Router DOM, import info from pages info, import main from pages main, const routes switch route. Okay, exact path bar. Okay, component main. Another route, removing exact info component info. Export the full route. Okay, saving. React for JSX. Okay, the React syntax. Route and the switch. First of all, switch. React Router DOM allows us to work with many routes at the same time. Using switch, we will work with only one route each time. Okay, and route is the navigation structure of a component. Okay, so for example, if I access on my browser the path bar, it will render for me the component main. If I access the path info, it will render the component info for me. Okay, and the exact is a thing for exact match here. Uh, After at the end of the lesson, I will give an example, and I think it will be more clear. Okay, so okay, we finished our Routes.js component, and then to let's start building our components. First, info. So area fc tab info info. Let me change this. Put h1 info, export const, export the full info. Okay, saving. Let's copy the same thing for the moment for main. Okay, so info command F or Control F in Windows, I don't know. You can it appears this bar, and this bar is very useful because you can put here info, for example, and replace all the info um, by main. Okay, and clicking here, clicking here, all of them. Okay, and here we have main. That's very nice. VS Code is a very good text editor. Okay. Okay. After that, let's access the app. We saved all the files and nothing happened. Okay. So here in the app, let's start doing some things. First of all, let's import browser router from React router DOM, and below header, let's import routes from routes. Okay, routes. That's it. Oops. That's it. Okay, I have my two routes, main and info, and I'm importing in the file app. Okay, I have header, and then let me see. Okay, div. I will change div by browser router, and here I have header, and I will put routes 2. Okay. What is browser router? Browser router allows the component nested inside it to have access to routes. Okay, for example, the header here, we have the button info for the header. Okay, and when we click on info, we will navigate to the info section. So header, it doesn't declare it on routes, but it will work with routes because we have browser router wrapping it. Okay, let's save and check. Okay, saving. Wait a moment. Okay. Bar, like that. Bar is a root. It's the root. It equals localhost, for example. And then when we put info, here we have info. Okay, and let's return to our routes file and remove this exec, for example. Let's try info. No, let's try here. Root main and info main2. Uh, why it's happening? Because when we have exact here, we force our route to get the exact math, okay? Um, if we don't have exact, um, we will render main all the time because the info start with bar like main, okay? So the browser will try to render the component, and the situation this situation will happen, and that's why we use exact here, okay? So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this class. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.